My name is Paula Castro, and I'll be describing the structures of the eye in order. The first structure is the conjunctiva. It's a clear membrane covering the front of the sclera and lining the inner portion of the eyelid. The sclera is a white outer protective layer of the eye. It protects the inner structures of the eye, but not the cornea. It is the white of the eye. It also serves as the anchor point for extraocular muscles of the eye. The cornea is a protective transparent part of the eye. Its curvature helps supply 65% of the refractive power of the eye. It allows light to pass through it and works with the lens to focus images on the retina. The aqueous humor is a watery fluid filling the anterior segment of the eye. It provides some of the nutrition to the surrounding parts. Its purpose is to bathe the lens, nourish the cornea, lens, and the iris, and maintains the intraocular pressure. The iris is the color portion of the eye that contains the pupil. It controls the amount of light, which controls the amount of light entering the eye. The pupil is a hole in the center of the iris through which light passes. It is wider at night and during sympathetic responses. The ciliary body are a group of muscles that control the accommodation of the lens by constricting the size of the lens. In order for us to see objects that are up close, the lens bend and become thicker. In order for us to see further objects, the lens are relaxed and are thinner. The canal of Schlemm is a canal that delivers the aqueous fluid to the venous system of the body. It removes the aqueous from the anterior segment of the eye. The suspensory ligaments are thin fibers connecting the lens to the ciliary muscles. The lens is a transparent structure in the eye that changes its curvature in order to focus light. It provides a secondary reflection of the eye and is located behind the iris. Over time, light and UV exposure can lead to cataracts or gradual opacification of the lens. The vitreous humor. It's a gel-like substance filling the posterior segment of the eye. It is avascular and composes 2/3 of the volume and weight of the eye. It's made up of mostly water. The retina is the third layer of the eye. It's a lining containing layers of nerve cells that receive light rays and convert them into electrical impulses and relay them to the optic nerve. The retina contains cells that respond to visual stimuli by photochemical reactions. It is composed of rods, which provide night vision and motion vision. They are concentrated peripherally away from the macula, and cones, which provide detail vision and color vision. They are concentrated in the macula. Each photoreceptor is connected to the brain by a nerve fiber passing from the retina to the optic nerve head. The macula is the thinned out area of the retina. It's composed of cone photoreceptors. It is the area of best vision. The fovea centralis is a portion in the middle of the macula containing the highest concentration of cones. It is the area of most acute vision. It is only here where we have no rods and have 20/20 vision. The ora serrata is the area of the eye where the retina ends and the choroid layer is seen. The choroid layer consists of mostly blood vessels. It carries the blood supply for the eye. It is located between the retina and the sclera. It is what provides the retina with oxygen. The optic nerve are a bundle of fibers that send the electrical impulses from the retina to the occipital cortex. The optic disc is the point of exit for ganglion cells, axons leaving the eye. It's a blind spot of the eye. A fun fact about the eye is that red eye, which we see in pictures, occurs in photos because light from the flash bounces off the back of the eye. The choroid, which is located behind the retina, is rich in blood vessels. This makes our eyes appear red on film.